trip. I have seen more varieties of flowers. I think I've ever seen in one spot in my life. Have no idea what they're called. They sure are beautiful. That's the kind of tree you'd like in your backyard. I wonder if the bees and the birds and butterflies would go for that one. The color is kind of unusual. Some of these flowers look kind of small and drab, but the residents seem to be enjoying them quite well. Don't seem to bother them too much. Some of these are really stunning. Not many flowers on the tree, but they blend into the landscape extremely. Also the different foliage. It blends in. Whoever landscapes has had just a little bit of experience, I bet you. Because you have the different colors and it just blends perfect. All right. This is typical gardening. I mean, you know, you got the pond, the landscaping, the birds, and way over there you have some flowers. You really hope you see the flowers are beautiful, but with a little worm poop, you can grow a tree. And there's living proof right there. Vermicompost. This right here is a typical outer's menu. You have your frogs, your snails, your clamshells, small crabs, and a mixture of insects. So anyway, that's their menu. This is the outer's enclosure, and the rest of the fixing a slide at their convenience, not mine. Having his breakfast this morning. He's quite happy. That's quite a bird. I wonder how many more we can. This one almost got on my hat. I don't know what kind he is, but he was dangerously low right over my head. There's birds of all size, shape, description in here. There are birds all up in here, flitting and flying everywhere. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the names. They are absolutely... You can get an education on birds in here. Now that, a pair of them resting. Look at the fish. That is really, really something. There's hundreds of them in here. All different colors.